Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator profile on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator, first you'll be required to open your Facebook app on your phone like this. And after opening your phone, at the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon, you can see there is your profile icon over there. Tap on your profile icon like this, and you'll be landed over here on the profile section of your account. And now guys, you need to know a thing, that is, in order to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator, you must be changing your Facebook profile type to a professional mode. You can only be a digital creator, you can only be a digital content creator on Facebook if you change your Facebook profile type to a professional one. To do that, you can see the three dotted icon at the side just beside the edit profile button. So tap on the three dotted icon like this, and at the bottom of the list you can see there is the turn on professional mode option available for us. Tap over there, and again you can see the turn on button available. Again, tap on the turn on. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter these steps. You can see among the 5 of the steps, there are 3 steps completed and the remaining are 2. So let's complete them, and let's enter a description. Like this, and after entering your bio, tap on save and complete the next steps. You can see connect with your audience, create new content, add a little details about yourself. So let's do these. And over here guys, you can see you'll be able to customize all of your informations from over here. Let's tap on the create new content. Let's not do that right now, and you can skip a step and skip it. Now all of the steps are completed. Let's go back and let's see our profile. And you can see guys, now you are a professional content creator. Here it says the profile is changed to the digital creator over here. And you can see guys, this is how you change your Facebook profile to a digital creator and switch your account to a professional mode. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.